Hello guys, in today's video I'm going to show you how to turn on use data to customize my Discord experience on your account on Discord. Easy and quick. First click on your profile, now click privacy and safety, and here you will find here use data to customize my Discord experience. Click like this and it will be turned on, and that's it. That's how to turn on use data to customize my Discord experience. Easy and quick, and that's it. And that's it for today's video. If you like this video, don't forget to like and don't forget to subscribe. I hope this video is helpful for you, and thanks for watching until the end, and see you in the next video.